to the Donna Show. This is your host, DJ Donna, and we have another special artist tonight. Well, he is one of the most down to earth and level headed DJs in the industry, known as a party starter. This man is loved for his positive vibes, strong will, focus, and dedication, along with his awesome music talents. Creating music is mainly about bringing people together and to savor the bliss and celebration called life, but creating music in the studio and performing live gigs is very different from each other. Keeping this crucial bit in mind, this man works on his songs as a producer but performs them like an artist. Over these years, he's proved his worth as a DJ producer of repute and style. Well, he is none other than DJ G, aka Kilogram. Okay, welcome to the show, G. How are you doing?
Good. Thank you, Donna.
You're welcome.
I'm good.
Well, first question for you. Well, when did you decide to become a DJ?
Okay. Why did I decide? Decide nahi tha.
When?
I think
When
it
did you
was not.
decide? When did you
I
decide to
never
do it?
decide what I have to do or next. Like इससे मैं decide नहीं करता हूँ.
Right,
Yeah. You
right.
plan like you. DJ maybe because when I used to work before, मैंने पहले भी बताया था बाकी chat shows में, like
हमारे
my
channel के लिए
upbringing was.
बताया आपने, so you have to talk about your
अच्छा हाँ
journey
तो
on
my
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 channel.
upbringing जैसे कि अभी अंकित अंजलि जा रही है वो कपड़े लेने तो मैं पीछे होता था मैं कपड़े देता था you can नहीं तो देखो मैं वही बता रहा हूँ कि पहले मैं I was a sales boy like behind like in a store okay selling the clothes
Right.
तो वो तभी क्या होता कि music and everything Donna we used to play in the shops
Right.
96 and 97 in Bandra Linking Road Blue Bazaar Shopper Stop I don't know if people from my age they will remember those days National College MMK and happening lane so we were like a good crew my crew my team my staff in fact they were the best people back then the best crew in the shop so I got inspired by my manager my sales girl my sales team so वैसे एक लड़की थी वहाँ पे वो दिन में आती थी हमारे साथ काम करती थी और 8 o'clock को वो चेंज होती थी कपड़े वगैरह पहन के एंड शी यूज्ड टू लाइक हम लोग शॉप बंद कर रहे हैं और वो जा रही है किधर so those days I wonder where she's going she used to go to Madness basically
Okay.
so Madness is a club tha, I mean like a happening club in fact back then 97 so she used to go there so that's it I mean I think I just went once with her I loved it I mean I like wow like they were playing good music and everyone is buzzing and good life like basically it was I got attracted to that but पता नहीं था कि मैं कैसे कर पाऊंगा like all that right but then I think मुझे एक chance मिला because Godfrey Philip is a cigarette company basically he came to my shop and he was a manager I believe and I was attending him for his clothes so while I was selling him and he loved I don't know what he liked about me but I was continuously I was playing music and I was like अगर गाना खत्म होता था मैं गाना बजा के आता था फिर आपको attend करता था like that
Okay.
so then he offered me one job kind of a thing like do you want to work in somewhere like in Bangalore so I said boss I mean if I get money I'm I can work he told me go and have a look at this place and it's called The Club back the club name मैं बोला ठीक है I'll just go and check it out as far as I'm getting the house मुझे घर दिया था of course
Right.
and food and everything was taken care of so for me it was good I mean so I thought yeah I mean I was hustling back then a lot like just selling clothes you know what I mean so ये जो मुझे just go and see just see they need somebody but you can fit meet the owner उन्होंने audition किया मुझे तो a lot of funny things happened यार like उसने मुझे audition किया he asked me how much you rate yourself from 10 from 10 I तो यार sir 7 8 so he told me 0 1 something he told me and he said it is shit whatever you think it's bullshit and trust me that owner was the man because of him a lot of legend artists came up in Bangalore a lot of people so तब मैंने उनके पैर पकड़ लिए सर मुझे काम दे दो बस ये क्लब अच्छा है like I'll just work like so then he offered me बस वही काम किया था कि I have to assist one of the DJ that's it मेरा काम था खाली देखना Samalna. So they gave me the console of lights. So you have to be there and just observe this man, and whatever he needs, take care of him.
Okay.
So pata nahi wo
Okay.
one see from DJ Ashley, his name is DJ Ashley, like he's like Ivan and Ashley were like the best in '98.
Okay.
Ivan is
Okay.
still we all look up to him, right? So
Right. Right.
he is like Ivan, the music wise, the style, and back then in Bangalore there were two legendary people, Ivan and Ashley. They were going back
Right.
to back, what I mean? And they
Right.
were
Right.
like, so I think when I saw him playing, no, Donna, when I saw him playing, not just playing, music. हम लोग अभी बहुत जन को देखते हैं. Till today, no, I've never seen a person, like how do you say that? He was very, very, very means like I've never seen, till today a DJ who was as good as Ashley, like in a sense, not music wise. How do you say that? In blending,
Blending. Right.
blending. Yeah. I mean, that's why he had a fan following, like 600 people coming in only for him, and he was like, wow. I mean, अगर कोई DJ बोलता था, तो I think it was him for me,
Right.
And
Right.
I was like, shit. He stands, the way he push, the way he plays the track, on the turntable, the way he keeps your record, Hello.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm there.
So yeah, the cleanliness the cleanliness around on the console, So he
Right.
he told me before he comes in, my job was to keep the console clean, always.
Right.
So many
Right.
jo DJ, it was like a cleaner, like always like that, So I think when you handle everything and all these, like I always tell, we have to learn, all these things, like when
Right.
you
Right.
become a DJ, you have to assist a good DJ, and take care of him, like everything should be set before he comes in to play and everything, So I think वो सब मैंने देखा, and 1 year के बाद, and तभी भी मुझे नहीं आता था इतना अच्छा to play, but what I learned from him was, a sense of music which I till today I have that.
Oh wow.
So for me, I always say it's not my collection, it's my mind, it's my knowledge, I think
Right.
गाने तो आते हैं और जाते हैं. Like why people look up to Ivan, because everyone looks up to Ivan because of his class, it's his thought process.
Yeah. Knowledge of music
Yeah,
and
it's
everything.
mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, these, I mean, just so much to learn, So I can actually play what you play, but I cannot. It takes a lot, to understand what you are thinking, and So I think as a DJ, I observe a lot, and these two people, Ivan and Ashley, for me was like okay, a role model, like I look up to them, and
Your
of course,
inspiration. Yeah.
yeah. I mean, till today, you will never go wrong, Whoever follows Ivan, I mean, you will become like one step ahead. You will learn so many things. Just hang around with him, people like
Yeah.
Ashley or him, So I think when you want to improve yourself, all these things I learned, basically you cannot just play music, Chalo yaar, hip hop
Right.
nahi hai. You have to feel it, you have to be with the people, understand what hustling is all about with the real people,
Right. Right.
community, So I started hip hop for me was a community thing. Like, so I started understanding hip hop from Iranian side of, like I had friends from Iran and Saudi Arabia and all these people, So how they think about hip hop,
Right.
and
Right.
every African American, everyone, all the community. So I think these all things, the blend of that, वो मेरे अंदर मैंने हमेशा रखा था, like, सबसे, yeah. So I think that's how
Right.
I like. So whenever I play, I try to play and try to give out the vibe, instead of just playing,
Right.
the
Right.
vibe is. So yeah,
Which year did you start DJing?
teaching, I think 98, yeah, 98.
98.
98.
Okay. And your first club was the D Club, I assume, right?
Yeah, man. Inferno, the club, yeah. The club.
Inferno. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So, what genres did you start off with? Hip hop itself, or
No, retro. See, I mean, so what happened was Ashley gave me as a DJ first time, actually no one knows about this, So Ashley gave me 15 songs. Okay.
Right.
So I was on the lights, Donna. Like when you're playing and you get some girl or a guy handling lights or camera.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
And you are the main girl. So my job was like when Donna wants to take a break, I had to fill in. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So he gave me 15 songs only for 6 months, Donna. 6 months, and imagine Monday to not Monday, sorry, Wednesday to Saturday, we were open 4 days, 4 nights.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Every night, whenever I come to play, in between, everyone knew
This was
600, 800 people. He's gonna just play these 15 songs here and there, So I used to beg, I used to ask him why actually give me some more songs, but I think it was a good training. That's how अभी मैं देखता हूँ तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि like yeah, he gave me 15 nice good hip hop songs, 15 good retro songs, and that's it. So retro I learned, retro
Now
मुझे
you have
पता
to
चला.
juggle between those 15 songs and figure your
Yeah.
way out.
Sometimes he used to tell me, okay, you finish your hip hop, now start playing retro, in middle of the set. So like 700 people are dancing. Donna, that was a number one club, number
Right,
one.
right.
Like Vachan, Clement, everybody used to be there. Like so, Nikhil Chinnappa and everyone, right? So that was the how do you say, the temple, People used to just come there, and his music. Oh my God! Back in the days, Shazam nahi tha. Like
Yeah, yeah.
what songs used to go in. So I think then I was just saying he gave me like 15 songs, and I got bored of it. I said like shit, man. This is not my place, I think, So मैंने patience मुझे बहुत अच्छा मुझे patience आ गया. मैं यहाँ से जिंदगी में patience भी बहुत important है. So I think
Correct,
I was fighting inside me, like what is this? Like I cannot do this. Inside my heart it was like, Donna, this is not this is not who am I, ये मुझे नहीं करना है, ये क्या है?
Right, right.
Me, I think मुझे balance आ गया जिंदगी में, like patience and all these things, and yeah, so I think patience is very important. वो 15 गाने ने मुझे बहुत सिखाया है, like so then after used to happen there in Bangalore.
Right, right.
African wedding say some hip hop and Afro music, yeah.
Right, right. Talk about your achievements and awards, if any. So far?
Achievements in work.
Achievements
I'm not good
and
enough
awards.
this year.
Achievements and awards.
Achievement तो नहीं है.
Of course, achievement है ना, Turn Me On. ये तो बहुत बड़ा achievement है.
See, this is again saying, Turn Me On is something. It just I've opened the door, It's just nothing, I think I just opened the door, man, Donna. Door closed था, अभी तक बंद था दरवाजा.
Right.
And I've been DJing for 22 years, and many people like me are DJing, Many people like me.
Right.
Imagine, Donna, PR team here, or sales or marketing or music company in Asia, around the world, nobody's standing by you. You don't know what you're going to do about it. And when you want to collaborate with international people, they have their own clauses. Like
right.
they cannot just collaborate and see their song. It's not like that, It is, they want to see works from you, They expect a lot of things from you, So I think responsibility for मुझे बहुत that's why it took me 4 years, and I think achievement नहीं है ये. I think it's just that in मेरे आंखों में मैं actually how do I say, like I can say yes, I opened the door, I did it, you know what I mean? Nothing more than that. I'm not so happy about it, I'm just cool, like it's just okay, kiya, theek hai. Very important, Donna, is like if you see in any department, like whether it is lyrics or production or singer, anything, anyone, to as an artist, you are responsible,
Right.
बहुत कुछ होता है. देखो डोना, वही बोल रहा हूँ, इंटरनेशनल आप नेशनल करो या इंटरनेशनल करो, एक हिट कॉम्पोजिशन, एक हिट सॉन्ग, बहुत कुछ होता है, एंड it's all your responsibility. So I think मेरे 4 years में I went through a lot, and then mentally, actually, physically, बहुत कुछ, no one supported, man. I mean, no companies and nothing. PR people just, I think I should start a marketing and a PR agency, because I think I know where to nail it, because they don't know, like for a common person, if you have a dream to do something like that, people should be helping you out, like showing you the
Correct,
way.
correct, correct, correct.
Even if you want to hire them, if you want to hire
Right,
a good digital or a marketing or a PR team, they don't show
right,
you the right way. This is the problem in India right now.
right, right.
So when you become famous, then you suddenly sign up with Sony Music or Universal Music, and then that's it. Universal take care of you forever. You know,
Right,
मतलब
right.
तो आप like Sunburn में top 5 में हो, Sunburn like those EDM thing में,
Festivals, yeah.
या तो फिर you're tied up with Sony Music or Universal Music, and that's it. उसके बाद क्या है? What about the youngsters?
Exactly. That's the kind of question I think a lot of people asks,
नहीं है ब्रो ना, मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, स्ट्रगल है, एंड ये इजी नहीं है ये. आई एम टेलिंग यू, आई जस्ट रिलीज इट ऑन माय यूट्यूब, एंड आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू दैट कि यार अभी दिस इज इट यार, आई एम डन. कोविड में भी मरना है, इसमें भी मरना है. इट वाज, आई मीन, लाइक टर्न मी ऑन. आई हैव 3-4 tracks on my laptop right now. We have worked hard and hard and hard, but what happened, it doesn't, and I don't like to release it just like that, like okay, next week,
Yeah, yeah,
okay,
yeah,
next week,
yeah.
because
Right,
for
right.
me it's the detailing, like क्योंकि एक ही करना है और अच्छा करना है. And I think even in March actually I started learning Photoshop, okay, for example. So
Okay.
I made that poster, and then I thought like shit, then I messaged Kevin like, hey, in I think June now, अभी release किया हमने. तो जून में मैंने बोला कि यार बस हो गया. I mean, now it's, we need to think about to release it now, I think,
Right, right, right.
because अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं.
But the
Uh,
response has been very good, isn't it? The response so far has been very good.
yeah,
People have been
आपने गाना गाया
really
तो बहुत
enjoying
बढ़िया.
it.
नहीं
नहीं,
आपने
हाँ,
गाना
I mean,
गाया. नहीं response ही, what happened, I think I would like to thank all my DJ friends and fraternity, especially Clement and Akhtar, Akhil, and everyone, Aman, and DJs, my wedding DJs, from around the
right,
world. Because, I think, Donna, what happens? I think they believe in you. आप कुछ
right,
करेंगे ना life में, I think
right.
let people believe you first. है ना? बस ना तो यार
Absolutely.
गाने निकाल सकते हैं. I think they trusted me, and I think I don't know how to say that. I'm really thankful.
No, but
So I think,
when I heard the song, it was a very different. It was fresh on the table.
yeah, but imagine it was already done in 2016. The sound and
Well, it,
everything.
it still
Old.
sounds fresh. The whole thing sounds so fresh. I mean,
I mean,
amidst all these remakes that's coming out back to back now, this was
yeah.
something fresh. Talk about music wise, talk about lyrics wise, talk about voice, everything was like on
I think
point.
the idea, that's what it is. I think it's not about remixing or recreating. It is this, because मैं जब भी कर रहा था ना 2016 में, 2017 में, when I wanted to shoot a video, I think I spoke about this to someone. I emailed Chris Brown's management. So I
Okay.
was actually in verge of record. In fact, their team was about to shoot my video as well.
Right.
In LA. Like, in problem was the budget thing, budget issues and all with me.
Right.
So I was really thinking and all that. So I think utne mein, Chris Brown came out with questions.
Right.
So I got a shock of my life. Like, what the hell? Like, wow. Like, you're talking to me like for like 4 months, and now you got questions, and that was a Kevin Little song. So it was like that for me, and it is good. I mean, it is all good. I think मुझे भी, see, that's what I took it in a nice way, Donna. Basically मैंने क्या सोचा कि यार देखो, जो मैंने choose किया like गाना as my first international song, even Chris Brown thought about this the same. So I think,
Right.
imagine as a urban R&B guy, like or as a DJ, like your thought process is very important.
Correct,
How
correct.
you do it, what you want to do, who you want to involve. It's a whole package, Donna.
But you know what?
Yeah.
I think you releasing the track now is a blessing in disguise, because had you released the track back then, imagine Questions and Turn Me On Bollywood remix. There would be
Maybe,
there would have been a clash.
I was okay
I
with
mean, it
everything.
used to do it that way, But
Sorry?
right now, when you took out the song right now, there's no competition with you. I mean, your track is fresh as new.
Yeah,
So
thank you. I
yeah.
think it was a timing. Is it I didn't know. So maybe
Yeah,
I
the
should
timing
start.
was absolutely right.
And imagine,
Timing was
I
absolutely
was
right.
talking to Kevin as well. And Kevin, we were talking about it,
Right.
uh, discussing like क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. We were in the house. मैं भी घर पे बैठा हूँ, no? And I just said like, let it go. People hear. That's it now.
Right.
Just to let it go. You know? कुछ बड़ा नहीं, कुछ छोटा नहीं. You know, like let it go. You know, because I keep doing this, stuff on it. You know, like दो तीन साल मैं कभी भी सोचता हूँ ऐसे कुछ try to do something and not even in audio but with the video, you know, like it's
Right. Right.
what happens like when you make a song after mixing mastering, again the responsibility comes in, like you have
Right.
to like right now change, you're a host, you know, right? So you have to change the app, you know,
Yeah. Yeah.
again
Yeah. Absolutely. Absolutely.
lead, you know, and be responsible for everyone involved in dream, you know, which you have, you know. So I think it is very important to be a good leader. Yeah.
But you know, hearing you sing for the first time, job well
Sorry.
done, Ji. Hearing you sing for the first time, job well done. I mean,
Oh no,
I was
no,
like,
that was
what?
the credit goes out to Hyacinth, you know, because whenever I say I sit with him, no, so whenever we make a song, anything, when I hum something, no, so he always push me, okay, Gee, you can do it, just do it, you know, you do it, you know. But I was always shy. But I think देखो एक तो budget भी होता है कि who do I get as a rapper now, you know,
Right.
and what style I want. See, because if you want that rapper, also it should be okay. Again, the budget also comes in, right? If I want a bigger one, they are impossible because of they don't want to get down with a youngster, you know, like a young guy who's trying to
Right.
do his first international, whatever, you know.
Right.
So
Right.
I think no one is approachable, no one is thinking. So I think कोई था ही नहीं यार. And for me, hip hop is very different than what's going on right now. It's more R&B. What you feel it, you know, because when you sang, even when you sing, right?
Right.
See, this is a clan. These are people who love R&B. They all soulful R&B people, you know.
Right.
So for
Right.
me, see, hip hop cannot be just only. It's style statement, you know. It's you think, you know, it's in your mind,
Just a
right?
lifestyle. Yeah. It's absolutely a lifestyle.
Yeah, you can. I think dance or hip R&B, everything. It's like one family, you know. And it's just who you are, and you represent that sound, you know.
Right.
I think that uh, अपना time आएगा. It's not my style, you know.
That's not my style either.
So for
But it's
me, it
just,
was like, yeah. So
but
when
it's
I heard some R&B session, you know, you played amazing stuff as well, you know, like
yeah.
yeah, Mary J. Blige,
Yeah,
Usher, and
I did an old school. Absolutely. I didn't
yeah.
really touch anything new
See, we have
from
grown
my
up.
side.
We have grown up at ages like that, no.
Yeah, yeah.
So so when I do my weddings also, there's a touch of my R&B, you know, always,
Right,
always.
right. Yeah, I've seen a couple of your stories and all where you I'm like, oh wow. I mean weddings
No,
में
no,
भी hip
stories.
hop
See,
at least.
stories में क्या होता है ना, sometimes I don't have time to take it also, you know.
No, but you
It
know,
is
there's at least it's like a breath of fresh air that someone is at least pushing the music. You know, it's not that
yeah,
it's
yeah,
just
yeah.
Bollywood. At least someone is pushing that genre of music as well. You know,
Yes.
no matter if it's a wedding or whatever. You know, so that way
Yeah,
it's
for
a
me,
good
again, I
thing.
said wedding. Now, I have enjoyed my weddings because of only one thing. It's what I bring in on the dance floor. You know,
Right,
like
right,
you know, when you are playing for the people, you're the you know people look up to you, right? I mean, any
right,
DJs, right?
right,
So
right,
I think for me, my style is more this. So I think मैं हमेशा push इसको ही किया है ना मैंने.
right,
Uh,
right.
and I love DJs when they play something like this. And there's so many DJs, you know, in India and abroad, of course, you know. Abroad too, yeah, everyone. But when I see here some good DJ spinning in the wedding and you know, he's doing his you know R&B thing or whatever, I'm like, oh, I become instantly a fan, you know.
Right,
बहुत
right.
time हुआ है, you know? I've heard so many DJs sharing stage with me, and you know they play Justin Timberlake and everything, all that old school stuff. Like wow, this is so it's beautiful, you know. I think
Yeah.
so. Wedding is beautiful. I love it, you know. So I think so again I said people call me for weddings, but then I'm not made for everyone. You know what I mean? I'm not made for everyone. Yeah.
Okay. Tell me something, G. Tell us about your struggles during your, your journey throughout.
Yeah,
Have you
struggle
faced
is
any
still
struggles
a
throughout your
lot.
journey when you started DJing?
Yeah. I mean, like right now, after it's been since I took up wedding industry, like from
Right,
2011.
right.
I before that it was the kilogram KNG,
Yeah, right.
Kiran, right?
Yeah, you were Kiran.
Uh,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, so I think when I took up solo and I was thinking of where I have to go from 2011 alone, uh, मुझे एक ही था कि जो अभी मैं करूंगा तो I think if people like it, they don't like it, I'm gone. Let me die, you know. But if I die, I'll die the way I
At
want to
least
die,
give everything in and then die.
Yeah, I'm gonna give my best and the way I think it should be,
Right.
on the dance floor. So I think slowly it picked it up, yeah. Struggle 2011 के पहले भी था हमेशा है, and um, as a
It's a hustle.
DJ,
It's a life of a hustle. I mean,
नहीं,
nothing is guaranteed.
that's the reason I'm just like I feel I'm done, like DJing is you're done enough, yeah, Donna. Like so much of struggle is involved right now also. अगर आप अभी भी डीजे बनना चाहते हो या होगे तो आपके 10 साल is not going to be smooth for sure, you know.
Right, right.
You have to be ready to handle your mental, state, like basically uh, you maybe for example you join a happening club, okay, with a happy
Yeah,
PR team. Suddenly you'll feel like you're the best. I mean, you should. Everyone should. I have faced that, right? Being in the
right.
best club, being in the best team. लेकिन अगर आप नीचे आएंगे when the club shut down and no one is around, or maybe you are not, you leave the job, okay? तो आप अकेले ही हो डोना. There won't be any PR team, you know. There won't
Right.
be any club owners or crowd supporting you. Nobody, absolutely nobody. So I say this: DJing struggle था, है और होगा हमेशा, every
Right.
time.
Right.
ये unstoppable है, अभी वो यही है, or that's it. I mean, either you have to be multi-talented, like learn to adapt, change.
Right.
Maybe you can be a manager, you can become a host, you can be an MC, you can do things. So I think multitasking is the key. You know,
Right. Right.
you
Right.
cannot just DJ. You know, because मैंने
Correct.
ये सीखा है कि अगर मतलब कि अरे मैं वही बता रहा हूँ कि अभी now clients want you to do everything, not like a DJ, but
Do the
uh,
emceeing also, do the promotions also, get the crowd also, and book the
so
tables also. It's like a
and
all
then
in one.
there's nothing in your bank balance.
They don't want to pay for
No,
all the work
ये क्या
you
हुआ?
need to
because Donna, if there is a platform I could speak, I mean, thank you for inviting me. In fact, मैं तो यही बताऊंगा आपके चैनल के थ्रू कि you know when everything starts back again, also in 2021, please understand कोविड में क्या हुआ था आपके साथ और आपकी फैमिली के साथ,
right,
ये बहुत
right.
important है because end of the night you're working out there for your family, for yourself, for
Very
that
true.
food, to pay the rent, to play because ये अमेरिका नहीं है, ये लंदन नहीं है, everyone, all our DJ community, everyone, चलो आपने sound ये I mean a lot of people become big, like just मैंने भी become right from where I started off,
Yeah,
लेकिन also because आपको जाना वहीं है, चाहे या तो जिंदा होने से या होने के बाद. I mean, there's nothing. You it's just a bubble, you know what I'm saying? It's just like
right, 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 right.
but nothing is cool. Be responsible. Know your responsibility towards your family, towards your clients, and balance it out. Because balance is the key. Because what
Right.
happens? पहले ऐसा नहीं है ऐसा. The fact is, the truth is, I don't know about clubbing industry, yeah, but it. This is it. You just felt the ending, of life.
Exactly, exactly.
या तो आप रिटायर होने का ये साल में मैंने देखा है कि if I'll be retired, this is what my condition will be like this today. एक घर में मैं बैठा रहूंगा, कोई मुझे बुलाएगा नहीं, कोई पार्टी होगी, राइट? सो आई थिंक
Exactly.
ये सोच के ना आगे बढ़ो and try to gather more how to say that, not only DJing do it, but keep 60/40, you know.
Yeah, just keep another hustle on the side and continue with
Yeah.
your
Or start
with
up.
your life.
This is the right time to start and learn and things, you know,
Right,
do
right,
things. So I've started a lot
right.
of new things now, which I'm working
What are
on,
you
and
doing actually? What are the
so
projects you're working on?
no. See, project is good. I mean, I've done a couple of songs and all that, but then since March, I was not thinking about music. You know, I didn't want to go live. I don't want to go live. I don't want to play for people on the Zoom. You know, I don't like that idea because if you want to feel kilogram, it is it. I would rather wait. You know, for people
Right,
to
right,
come back, then I'll go back. Because हम लोग का
right,
भागने नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, ये कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, no?
right, right,
It's
right.
just that we have to wait, you know, and trust me, we have to learn. So I started loving colors, you know? Like I started having an eye for colors now. Suddenly, I don't know why. Since March,
Yeah.
so uh, I made that poster on the Photoshop and everything like that, and you know, so I started loving. So I'm actually going into video editing now, you know, all that stuff, you
Oh
know.
wow. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, because I learned in Miami how they shoot the video, the processes, and you know, and everything as a post production and everything. I think now, if Kilogram has to retire, I would rather retire as like maybe if I retire, start can guide you as an artist for the audio production and also video production. You know how it has to be, and please watch
Right.
out for my video edits. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah,
I don't
for
know. I mean,
sure. For sure.
it's gonna be like I'm a baby boy now. I'm learning it, and maybe I'm gonna start off slowly, and then yeah. So for me now, DJing is done. As a producer, I've done it all. You know, I've seen it. Because
Right.
I would love to produce it again and do it in a big way, but the money, the budgets, right now, we are just DJs, you know, and
Right.
the fact is, we are all normal people, you know, like, you know, I don't have a
Right.
big budget behind me or my father giving me money like, hey, you know, just go ahead more and do it. I'm a
Right.
hustler.
Right.
मैंने जो पैसे कमाए थे उसमें ही मैंने इन्वेस्ट करके लोन लेके मैंने बनाया ये वीडियो, फॉर एग्जांपल,
Right. Right. Right.
this is we go through, you know going to the bank asking for a loan for your music video, and the bank says you don't give GST, so we can't loan, you know. देखो ये बहुत सारी चीजें बिहाइंड द सीन है ना, बहुत कुछ होता है, बहुत कुछ यार, सच्ची। मैं क्रेडिट्स में जाता हूँ ना, क्रेडिट्स हम लोग जाते हैं ना, okay, this is by
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
is by,
Yeah.
but just to get everybody together, pay them, do these things, everybody has to be in the same page also, mentally.
Correct. Correct. Absolutely. Yeah. 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 Absolutely.
I think a lot of things matters. So I think मैं actually मैंने first post डाला था तभी ना Facebook में, I only believe my DJs, you know. Kevin's team, they were asking me what is the PR strategy. I said no PR. I'm done. I don't know nobody, But I know
Right.
one thing: whoever knows me and people I know, I'm just gonna throw it to them, and then let's see. This is it. So the first post was to all my DJ, friends. I in fact I never tag people. This is the first time in my life I tagged everybody. I wanted them to read what I'm actually about to throw, on the page.
Right. Right.
So I think Clement actually, I thank him a lot, because he's my old friend. In fact, he started
Right.
in '98, Bangalore. So
Okay. Okay.
so so he pushed me, and I think I think Akhtar Bhai and Ivan, in fact, So for me, it was done. You know,
Yeah.
if you all love it, if you liked it, see, if you make something, Donna, I have to personally love it first.
Right. Right.
It's not it's something I should say, hey, Donna, this is very good. No, never do that.
No. See, if you don't criticize, I mean, the right way, how will I
But
ever
feel it.
know what is
If
right
you
and
don't
what is
feel it,
wrong?
but
Exactly.
that's what I'm saying. If anyone makes a product, for me, I have to feel that, oh wow, this is beautiful. So then only I can,
Correct.
and that
Correct.
is
Absolutely.
whether it is my family or anyone, I don't care. But I feel whatever anyone does, they have to do it from your heart, and
With
then let
passion, with a lot of passion.
give all your
Right.
best and then let people decide, you know, है ना? So I think वही हुआ था कि struggle बहुत है, multitask, learn new things in COVID because we have time till next March, you know. ये New Year तो शायद हो जाएगा सबका Zoom में, I think so. I'm not sure, but yeah, you know.
But Zoom, I mean, I don't know, yeah, virtual. I know, I
I
mean,
did
this is
now.
the
I
way
did
of
one.
life.
I just did one. In fact, I just did one last week. And in fact, for my client, you know, I was not into music. I said, I'll create the stage and we'll do this and we'll do that. And I was just totally into the designing part, you know. So I think
Right,
for me, it was more about now, yeah, you know, like uh, the design, you know, all that, yeah.
right, right. Gee,
And
what
it
was the
goes,
proudest moment of your journey so far?
sorry.
What was your proudest moment of your journey so far?
Oh yeah, when first time actually proud to go every 3 years, no, Donna, by I think again by grace of God. See, you're proud when you think it's not. सब लोग बोलते हैं ना कि ये हो नहीं पाएगा और आप
And
करके
you
दिखा
still
दे
achieve it somehow. Exactly, yeah.
मैं नहीं करके दिखा रहा हूँ वो हो जाता है ना वो देखो देखो मेरे को अगर मैंने तो 2016 में गाना करके रख दिया था यू नो हम लोग रेडी थे then everybody was pressurizing me अरे क्या हो रहा है गाने का क्या हो रहा है गाने का क्या हो रहा है I said I don't know but I will never remove it I'll not get it out unless I know it is the right thing and right vibe you know, around me you know
Right
and the
time, and
people
yeah.
yeah even the team around me or someone is telling me hey gee this is the right time you know something I was just waiting for I think
Fine.
a sign yeah I think God gave me the sign and I think just like let it go वो भी मार्च में मैंने नहीं किया मैंने जून में किया नो अभी आफ्टर 3 months
Right,
of
right.
thinking कि like what do where are we you know so many things because बहुत 4-5 और गाने हैं मेरे लैपटॉप में मैं अगर वो नहीं जाएगा आगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा you know nobody
Right,
will
right,
you
right.
know believe in me you know like that so I think वो होने के बाद तो I think when I joined first Cyclone you know after the club that was a good achievement for me and after Cyclone when I first played I got a chance to play in Fire and Ice to do my hip hop set with DJ Steve
Yeah, right.
that was my second achievement you know I felt like you know because back then I used to look up to DJ Steve I don't know if you know him
No, I
Fire and
may
Ice
like if I see him by
yeah,
face,
Final
probably I
Days was
will.
amazing. So Steve was like J49 DJs, you know, they used to rock J49. All right.
Okay.
So I think his style of R&B and music. So I think उसके बाद finance के बाद I think Enigma when I got the chance to work with Akhil. I was not proud. I was like I thank God के लिए ये मुझे stage मिल गया. I mean एक काम मिल गया मुझे, you know, like that. After that Poison हुआ था, Poison Club or whatever. उसके बाद I think Kiran and me start, no उसके बाद I think I did no entry, you know,
Okay.
no entry. वो भी by fluke कर दिया था मैंने, पता नहीं कैसे हो गया था वो. उसके बाद Kiran and me sat down and we thought to start Kilogram, you know,
Right, right.
and फिर Om Shanti Om was a first proud moment for us. Then the Lambi Judai was the biggest for me. I think
Right.
till today, uh, people in Pakistan or India, they all know about Lambi Judai from Jannat, you know. That's how
Wow.
Kiran started off, you know, the song.
Right,
And
right,
then
right.
after, then 2011, I was into weddings. And then wedding में क्या होता है ना, don't know, wait, again, if you're talking about achievement, to achieve a city is very easy. A city, or maybe you can say an area. But to achieve to have a name in a country, you know, it's very difficult, you know.
That's
You know
difficult.
what I mean?
Right,
Yeah.
right,
So for
right.
me, when I went to Saint Martin or Spain or anywhere or Jakarta or Hong Kong, I knew okay. Now people call me as a wedding DJ, but yeah, a wedding DJ. Then let me show you what I can do there. You know what I mean? So I
Right.
did my magic, man. I did magic around the world. Now I think I got to know I was lucky enough to meet a lot of good couples, young couples who love the vibe of R&B, and everything was so crazy that it just and then this one though after I opened up Akon, no, for Akon in 2008 in
Right.
Bangalore, no, that was my again the for the artist side, you know, as artist side. Uh, when I saw Akon on the stage, backstage, I was like, okay, this is artist, you know. Because I've seen only DJs and everybody coming in, right?
Right,
Also,
yeah,
all
yeah.
artists are coming in the club and all, but being in backstage and understanding how he goes on the stage and what he does and how he come back in the green room and everything, you know, like till the time he's gone from the ground, you know. So I think
You also had something with DJ Khalid, right? I mean,
yeah, that was see that was Khalid was like a friend to friend, you know.
okay,
So my friend was
okay,
with him in Miami, and again like a client, to me, he's like
right,
he's also like a big guy, in Miami. So when they're hanging around and like, hey, he's my buddy and blah blah blah, and then yeah, I mean DJ Khaled was just a random thing, like it was nothing. But yeah, I mean, if I would have thought like how I thought about Clement, I'm saying Kevin Little right now. Back then, I never thought about producing music, like
right,
that, never.
right.
I was तभी मेरे दिमाग में आता तो that time Khalid was not so big, he was not so big, you know. DJ Khalid that back then was not so big, he was also hustling, he was amazing
Right.
DJ. And, when he started doing his album and singles and he started going there, now he's unapproachable, now nobody can approach
Right,
him,
right,
So I think
right.
even Drake, if you meet him like, back then when he was hustling, he was a normal guy, you know what I mean? So I think back then was difficult. I mean, now it's difficult. Back then was easy, yeah. So with Akon and his management and team, we did a couple of weddings. In fact, Donna, I don't know if you
Okay,
know, a
okay.
big
No, I did
weddings we
hear
did.
about a couple of. I think I've probably seen one of your stories where you probably
Yeah,
have put
yeah,
up
yeah, yeah.
with Akon. Yeah,
In
yeah,
fact,
yeah.
yeah, I became like a, how do I say that? Uh, I was in between the deals, So I learned how it happens, everything. So I think I learned a lot from the management, and the management made me who I am today.
Right.
The strictness, the ethics, my work ethics. Um, you know, till now I wake up by 5 o'clock in the morning. Now also, and I am on my desk, trying to
Wow.
just understand and things and. No, I think this is it, like this is what I love, So yeah.
So, any new
I mean,
project you're working on? Any new project?
yeah, yeah. New
Tell
means
us
like I have
about.
like three. Nothing. It's just that how do I say that? It's just in a phase where I'm just like now seeing what is now even not in the lyrics is done now, It's just the
Okay.
music and stuff. Yeah, I things like that. I could have played you, but then it's not here. It's in my phone or something. Oh, my phone is gone actually. You know that.
Your
So
phone is gone. Yeah.
yeah, my phone is gone. I mean, so it's in my phone, in fact, So what I do is like, I play it and then I keep it over there and then, yeah, that's it. And I keep working on stuff. So yeah, I don't know.
So,
I don't know if I
what's
have it.
next for you in the pipeline? What are you
I'll
planning
make you
on?
hear. I would love to make you hear it, but then,
I would love to hear it.
no, not now. But then,
Even our audience would love to hear a little sneak peek of what you're working on.
yeah. No, no. Sneak peek about I'm working on, but it's amazing. But then, how people like, if you hear something, it's gone.
No, no, no,
So,
no. Look, you can always change. It's just a little something. So yeah.
I'm not sure if it's, yeah, okay, one second. One second. Yeah, one, I don't know which one, what vibe. Three songs are there, in fact.
Anything. Just whichever one is your favorite. Let's hear that.
Oh, favorite are all of my favorite, but then this
Anyone.
is something I'm actually working on. Yeah. Should I make you hear that or not? I don't know.
Why not?
One second.
Make a
No,
little
because
changes here and
it's
there.
still in the phase. Sorry.
Make a little changes here and there. I'm sure people won't even get to know what you made us hear.
Yeah. Just one second. I mean,
And once the lyrics goes in, everything is changed. The whole outlook only will change.
I'll make you hear something very reggae stuff.
Oh, I love reggae.
I don't know.
Why
I'm
not?
into something different now. My mind is into very different stuff now. So
Uh-huh.
let me see this. One second. You can hear it or not?
Yeah, I can hear it.
Okay, one second. Hold on. You can hear it? Yeah, man. Watch out, Kilogram coming out soon. Reggae. So the basic thing is we are just working on the beats now. So
Uh-huh.
yeah. Maybe I'll try to collab with somebody nice. You know what I mean? So there are
Totally,
a
why
couple of.
not? Yeah.
So for me, it's not about dance music now. It's just like I don't know, and just with the vibe I'm going, what I'm feeling.
You've
So
taken out one dance music. Now you can probably, play around
yeah,
with genres.
yeah.
Something
So
that
for
you
me,
really that touches your soul.
yeah. That's very important. For me, the word, the people who gonna collab with me in this one now, uh, has to be very soulful. What I think. And Indian, of course, apna Bollywood. Indian style.
Right, right.
But mix. Yeah, man. I mean, so there's a lot more, in fact. But then let me work on this, and then for sure, I'll make it. Yes.
Tell me something, G. What was the most trouble you've ever
One
gotten
more,
into?
I'll make it right. Hold on,
Please,
I'll
please
make it
go
right.
ahead.
One
Please
more.
go ahead. Please go
It's
ahead.
again, it's very chilled out. You will not like it, but then
Why wouldn't I like
awesome.
it?
No, 1 second. Okay. Oh shit. Oh yeah, no, it's okay. Say.
Go ahead. Make us hear it.
No, it is 1 second. No, no, I was trying to get the project out, man. Oh yeah, man. I've done the lyrics for that as well.
G, I'm gonna make you sing at the end of the
Sing,
interview.
I don't sing, you sing, man.
अपना नहीं तुम्हारा गाना तुम ही गाओगे एटलीस्ट स्पीक Don't turn me on. Of course you sing.
Okay. See, it's just like it's not on the face, but again, very chilled out, very
It's too
nice.
bad. It's
But it's
got,
not gonna be
it's got,
chilled out.
it's got,
I'm
no,
gonna.
but it's got a nice feel to it. So I'm sure people are going to love it.
I
Once
don't know.
it's
It's just
prepared.
see again for me now. It's not about banging music now. It's just what I feel, and the people I want to collaborate now,
Right,
and
right.
so some kind of a magic, I want to create. So let's see. Yeah.
I'm sure it'll be fine. Yeah, I'm sure it'll be one of the best again.
Yeah. No, it's okay. I mean, it's something you have to be proud about whenever you work.
See, it's your baby, irrespective of however
वो
it
चले
turns
जाओ
out.
चले is a different thing, but I feel let people see that you're doing a good job. I mean, that's it. Like people should like at least to listen. That's
Right,
it.
right, right. Absolutely, absolutely. Gee, tell me something. There's been a lot of trolling happening in between, like during all these live gigs and all. Yeah, a lot of trolling has been happening. Are you aware of that?
तो मेरा नंबर दो ना उनको
मेरे
उनको मेरा
साथ
नंबर दो नहीं मैंने बताया था कि मैं I think I called up Clement but about this see the thing is सब बात कर रहे हैं बोल रहे हैं when you're behind the camera सब बात करते हैं but I think
right.
trolling about what? I mean, you're talking about
No, and during live gigs, like
yeah.
people have been getting trolled and stuff. What's your take on it?
I don't know, man. First of all, they should not go to the page and listen to anyone you don't like, or you don't want to.
Absolutely, yeah.
यार आप ट्रोल कर रहे हो, आप जा रहे हो, कुछ सीख लो ना वो टाइम में जाके, आप अपने मम्मी डैडी के साथ जाके बैठ जाओ यार, मतलब you don't have to actually go to the page and show that you are there. मैं आ गया हूँ.
Yeah, I mean, if you don't really like something, just go away, walk away.
ये हिंदुस्तान है, इसमें क्या होता है ना, यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि जब तक आप पे गुजरती नहीं ना वो चीज, है ना,
तब तक समझ में नहीं आता है.
तो आई थिंक ये जो भी ट्रोल कर रहे हैं, जो भी है ना, हाउ विल दे बिकम आर्टिस्ट? इट्स नॉट अबाउट प्लेइंग म्यूजिक. दे आर फूल्स मैन. मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ ना, कुछ चालू करूंगा ना, मेरा जो ट्रोल कर रहे हैं क्या है ना, बिकॉज गली गैंग है या कोई भी गैंग है, जो भी गैंग है, आई थिंक उनकी वो भाषा समझ में आती है, क्या भाषा पता नहीं, बट वी हैव गॉन थ्रू एवरीथिंग, हम लोग जिंदगी में हम लोग ऊपर से नीचे सब देखा हमने, तो मैं वही ट्रोलिंग वो लोग उनको करते हैं जो आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द हैपेंड विद द गर्ल्स, राइट? आई थिंक वो लड़कियों को ही कर रहे थे, ये नहीं वो नहीं, अरे करने दो यार, आप करो अपना काम, अच्छा काम, आई थिंक दिस इज आई मीन साइबर पुलिस है अपनी, क्लेमेंट एंड एवरीवन, तो
And girls, you also know now that Jay has said give his number across Anyone who
या
trolls
सी
you.
इंडिया में मैं बता रहा हूँ कि ट्रोल हो या कुछ भी हो भाई, वो आदमी को पहले है ना, आप यू नो आई टेल यू वन इंसिडेंट राइट नाउ।
Yeah,
मेरे पेज में आके ना किसी ने गलती की थी। पहली बात तो है ना, इफ यू वांट टू हाईलाइट दिस, नो हाईलाइट दिस वन, मेरे पेज में आके कभी गलती से ना कुछ लिखना मत, क्योंकि अगर किसी ने लिख लिया तो मैं छोड़ूंगा नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, ये ट्रोलिंग नहीं होता है। फिर बाद में मैं कॉलिंग करता हूँ, फिर हम लोग मिलते हैं, तो मैं खाना खाने, मैं यू नो डिनर डेट पे जाऊंगा उनके साथ, मैं तो जिंदगी भर छोड़ूंगा नहीं उनको। ठीक कैसा होता है ना, जो ओके, अगर लड़कियों को किसी ने ट्रोल किया है ना, तो पहले वो लड़के का आईडी और नंबर नाम जो भी है ना देख लो, क्योंकि वो कहाँ जाने वाला नहीं है।
But these guys, you know, they troll from a different ID altogether, like a fake ID.
हाँ, तो हमारी साइबर पुलिस है, उनको रिपोर्ट करो और क्या।
But yeah, anyway, give us your story. Give us a story.
हाँ, तो फिर वो 6 o'clock in the morning he actually commented stupid, because अभी क्या हो गया ना, ये देखो आपको अभी समझा रहा हूँ, I don't know if people can understand this. Back then Facebook के बाद Instagram आया था, Instagram was like wow, right, you know,
Yeah,
they're
yeah.
going behind now, just to make everyone understand that वो crowd अलग था तभी ना Instagram
Right,
में,
right,
you know,
right.
you know, अब वैसा नहीं है। अब क्या हो गया कि टिकटॉक वाले सब यहाँ आ गए, वो सब एवरीवन इज इन वन प्लेस नाउ, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द मीडिया, अभी जैसे जो हो रहा है हमारे, हम सुन रहे हैं, यू नो,
Yeah.
ऑल दैट बॉलीवुड थिंग इज हैपनिंग अप एंड डाउन। तो आप उनके भी पेज में जाएंगे ना, न्यूज चैनल के पेज में या सबके चैनल के पेज में, तो जो लोग भी बात कर रहे हैं ना, उनकी फेक आईडी से बात कर रहे हैं सब लोग, है ना, कुछ भी गालियां
Right,
दे रहे हैं राइट,
right,
तो ये
right,
ट्रेंड
right.
सब लोग फेक है ना। सो आई थिंक या आई मीन trolling to hoga, because what happened when you go into another page which you don't know, you know,
Right,
so
right.
तो वो पेज में कैसे लोग हैं पहले वो फाइंड आउट करो। सी
Yeah, yeah.
से आई एम, मेरी जिंदगी में कोई आ नहीं सकता और आएगा भी नहीं, मैं आपको ये बता के रखता हूँ, बिकॉज आई हैव मेड माई लाइफ लाइक दैट, यू नो, बिकॉज
Right.
आई चूज हाउ पीपल शुड लुक अप टू मी, आई चूज हाउ पीपल शुड टॉक टू मी, यू नो,
Correct.
चूज फॉर श्योर। एक लड़के ने, वही मैं बता रहा था, सॉरी मैं भूल गया था, कि 6 बजे एक अच्छी लड़की की डांस के नीचे कुछ गंदा लिख दिया उसने, यू नो, अर्ली मॉर्निंग, एंड आई हैड टू रियली, आई वोक अप एंड मैं उसके पीछे लग गया, बस खत्म हो गया। मैंने बोला भाई हम मिलते हैं, यू नो, मिल लो, मिल लेंगे, यू नो, लाइक मतलब कुछ नहीं, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लाइक यू नो, आप कहाँ से हो, किधर है, क्या है, जो भी है, यू नो, लाइक बैंगलोर या बॉम्बे या जयपुर या दिल्ली या किधर भी, यू नो, लाइक व्हाटएवर। सो आई थिंक उसको मैंने 8 o'clock तक है ना छोड़ा नहीं था। मैंने फिर समझाया उसको कि जो लोग भी कुछ करते थे वो आर्टिस्ट होते हैं, अच्छा या गंदा फिर आप पेज में मत जाओ, सिंपल है, ये न्यूज चैनल नहीं है। सी
Right.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल चैनल के अंदर कुछ हो रहा है, इट इज अ डीजे, और आप डीजे को जानते हो, आप वही फ्रेटर्निटी से हो, यू नो, अगर आप डीजे नहीं हो तो आप क्यों बात कर रहे हो? ट्रोलिंग कौन कर रहे हैं? ये डीजे ही कर रहे हैं ना।
Mostly, yeah.
ट्रोलिंग कौन कर रहा है? ये बाहर वाले नहीं कर रहे, जिनको पता ही नहीं मिक्सिंग क्या है, तो वो लोग करेंगे नहीं,
Correct.
राइट। सो मैं खाली वही बता रहा था कि आई थिंक वो डीजे का नाम नंबर सब लिख के रख देने का, and then definitely and I'm telling you that we should speak out about that person, you know.
Yeah, I mean,
I think
yeah.
Smita or someone had spoken about it and it was nice. I mean, I supported her for that.
Kamya
Yeah,
was
someone,
was
yeah, yeah. You know, ये मजाक नहीं है, you know, because I don't know, you know, in fact, I don't talk to any DJs. हमारे
Right,
हमारे आपसे भी मैं इतना ज्यादा नहीं बात करता हूँ, राइट, है ना।
right,
प्रॉब्लम
yeah.
इज वी शुड रिस्पेक्ट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारे स्कूल में नहीं सिखाया जाता। आई वाज
Correct.
टॉकिंग टू वन ऑफ माय डीजे फ्रेंड ओनली, कि हम स्कूल तो हर अंधेरी स्टेशन में है, वेरली वाले स्टेशन में है, सांता क्रूज में है, यू नो, गांव-गांव में स्कूल है, लेकिन किसने सिखाया है हाउ टू बिहेव
It's
एज अ
it's from the
डीजे?
home. It's from your as a human being, you know.
नो, व्हेन यू गो फॉर क्लासेस, ये लोग पढ़ने आते हैं ना, डीजिंग सीखने
Right,
आते हैं,
right,
राइट?
right, right,
So
right.
it is your responsibility, it's your responsibility to groom them, their mind, as you know, you cannot troll or do this, you know. When a
Yeah.
teacher will say that, principal will say that, they will never have a guts ever in my life, because my schooling was like that. मेरी schooling तो ऐसे थी कि I learned, you know, grooming over there. So ये problem बहुत है कि you know, पता नहीं कहाँ से कौन क्या बोल रहा है, but I think all the young ones are saying it, not the
Yeah,
not the
yeah, of course, yeah. I mean,
Again, also the platform matters. I think चलो पता नहीं कैसा किया रहेगा, but I think कहाँ आप कर रहे हो live and just choose your thing because you might
Correct,
just come
correct.
across these people, you know. अभी जैसे
You
केविन लिटिल
never
का
know,
गाना देखे ना,
exactly.
मैं जाऊंगा कि कोई जगह पे जहाँ पे राखी सावंत को लोग देख रहे हैं, उन लोग तो मुझे एक ही कमेंट दे देंगे मुझे, no, they will just troll me,
Absolutely,
करेंगे
yeah. I
जरूर.
mean, it depends on where you are and where you go. So yeah,
You
yeah.
have to think वो भी होता है, हाँ? कब जाना
Right.
live किसके साथ.
No,
So I
which
think
is why I go live sometimes like without even informing anybody. Suddenly
yeah,
I feel like I feel like playing some
yeah,
music,
that's
and
nice
I don't
way.
mind
Yeah.
people joining me if they like the kind of music, and I just randomly go live anytime without informing anybody.
I think first of all, you're doing it for your soul, your mind.
Yeah,
You're
just
doing
to
it for yourself.
keep myself
Yeah, yeah.
sane, since I can't step out anywhere. So
Going live, I think going live का पूरा यही चक्कर ही अलग है. I think going live we should be actually getting to know you more, you know,
yeah,
rather
exactly.
than you are trying to impress me, you know.
No, that's
Or
why that is why I just play my kind of music, go whenever I feel like going live, and whoever enjoys the kind of music, more than welcome to just come live and watch and have a good time.
see, I love the idea about like going live and everything before, okay, in March and April. Then
Yeah.
I started seeing like people क्या कर रहे हैं कि वो लोग चाय की दुकान होती है ना हमारे रास्ते में, तो चाय की दुकान में क्या होता है कि चाय वाला चाय बना रहा है और हम लोग 4 बार बैठ के कुछ और ही बात कर रहे हैं, तो गाना चल रहा है हाउस म्यूजिक, ये लोग अपनी इधर उधर की बातें चल रहे हैं, कैसे हो भाई, क्या हो, क्या है, अरे आ
Yeah,
जाओ,
yeah.
हाय, how can you just say hello, hi, ये वो, look at the person who's playing the music, talk about that,
Talk to
like
them. Yeah, talk about the music.
talk
Correct.
to the DJ. What are you talking to yourself and your 4 friends, coming at the same time, हाँ भाई मैं आ गया हूँ, बताइए, अरे अब this is what I feel. ये तो
Right.
होना ही नहीं चाहिए, पहली बात तो है. So who's
Right.
entertaining that?
Correct. Correct.
I don't know. I see, that's what I'm saying. If you want your clients and your people to take you seriously, you have to be strict. You know,
Correct.
you cannot do सब चलता है. यहाँ पे इंडिया में नहीं चलता कुछ. यहाँ पे चाय की दुकान सब जगह आ जाती है फिर.
यहाँ
सबके
पे ही चलता है.
No, man. I mean, I think it's not about playing music as a DJs. Everyone, so many people have to learn now. How to
Right.
behave, how to speak, talk, give respect. There's so much things involved. It's just not how you produce now. It's how you represent the song as well.
It's a whole
Uh,
package, literally.
yeah, yeah. I mean, first, clean your mind. As a DJ.
Right.
Everyone has
Right.
to. तो ये चीज है ना, ये चीज बहुत मैटर करती है. As an artist. So
Right.
DJs who's starting off and all, this is what I can tell them. Like first get your inner soul, ready to be a DJ. Learn, things like that. So I think ये होगा, then only artists will be born. अबे तो सब ऐसे rolling करते रहेंगे यार, कुछ नहीं.
वही तो, that is what has happened in the past couple of years.
So I
Anyway,
think this is
we've
why.
come. Yeah, go ahead.
No, that's why I was thinking to like maybe next year I'll start a mentorship. I'll charge them and then I'll
But you should. I
guide
mean, why
them.
not? You should. Why not? I mean, when you have the experience,
Yeah. No, I was
very
thinking
few are actually doing an entire.
mentorship is very important. Definitely, how you produce a song, you have to learn definitely, from the best of the best. Uh, but then after you're done learning, how you respect other artists as well. And there's so many things,
Grooming is so important. In any field you go to, grooming is important. It's just that
respect.
this field has forgotten that bit, which
Yeah, okay.
one
I
of
think
us
I don't
should.
know. Yeah, I think
Someone should start that
yeah.
someday.
Sorry,
Where you
what is that?
Someone should start that someday, where you teach DJs
Yeah,
music and grooming. Groom them
yeah.
and make
Because
them
see,
ready to be out there.
yeah, I mean, see, friendship, also, how we joke and all, it's good. But when you're representing yourself, live, this is what you're putting out, your image, like this is who you are as an artist. You know,
Correct.
Come on, man. I don't see Akon doing this, man. I don't see, all my Usher, all the big artists, I followed them, or DJs, in fact. In fact, I've never seen them, talking like that, going to someone live and saying no, nothing, man. I think mind your business, like mind your life. God has given you a life. Wo karo and let people come to you, and then when they come to you, please respect them. I think
Right.
this is what's so much important now. Yeah, कल भी आप live जाएंगे किसी में देखना the way they speak, it's not so good. Like I think respect is so important. I think this is where Ivan, Clement, and everyone, they are still doing well because of they know how to give respect to others.
Right.
You know,
Very true. Very true. And it's
which is
important.
very important. Like
Yeah.
uh,
Yeah.
on digital, on the media, on digital platform, how do you represent yourself? How you want people to take you seriously? If you are
Right.
doing, you're just cracking up jokes. You know.
Exactly. Exactly. Very true. Very
So I
true.
think jokes तो यार आप घर पे रखो. I think let me you should inspire people. In fact, like try to because when you're out there, even I'm watching. A lot of people are watching.
Everybody is
Tomorrow,
watching. Exactly.
ARM is watching. So what he will think about you? He'll never give you a break if you don't take yourself seriously.
Correct.
You know,
Correct.
how do you think people will take you seriously? So I think it's so important to calm down, relax, be in your own zone. You know,
You're
create
doing
your own
something.
vibe. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Things for yourself. You know, your soul. As an artist, your soul is crying. From it, right for the
Right.
platform. And when the
Right.
platform comes, the live platform, and that's how we lose it. So I think that's where it is, man. Use the platform in the right way. In fact,
Wisely. Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely. All right, G. Rapid fire round for you. Quick, quick.
good.
Okay. Three things no one knows about G. Kilogram. Sorry.
Three things. Oh, I'm a very homely guy. I love a very spiritual. Um, I'm very yeah. I mean, I love to be around with my elders. That's it. I mean, I don't have friends. Oh yeah, I don't have any friends. No one knows that.
No. Really?
Yeah. No one. Just me and my computer and me, and that's it. No friends. So in Bombay, I don't have friends. I don't go out. I don't. I never go out. I never go out. And no one will see me clubbing. You know. I'm sure no one has seen me clubbing.
Right.
You know.
Right.
So yeah, this is I'm different. Different in the sense like I'm not the way DJ Kilogram is. When I'm on the stage, I'm
So
opposite.
kilogram on stage is completely different, and the
Uh,
one
I'm,
back
I'm
home.
very,
Irish is a
I
different
mean,
person than
just to give,
kilogram.
yeah. I mean, everyone prays and all, but then it's just that for me, it's just that, yeah. I don't know if you see my God.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
Okay. In your
Yeah.
opinion, three
Mhm.
qualities that is needed to be a DJ.
Yeah. Three qualities. Your sense. You know. The way you develop. Your knowledge. Um, the way you see the thing. The way you see things. The way
Right.
you hear things. It's very simple, but it matters. It is all around.
Hello.
Oh shit, you gone? You gone.
No, we are still here. You connection problem हो रही है क्या तुम्हारे उसमें?
Network, yeah. So I think, yeah, I think all these things are very important because I always say, no MIDI controller, no DJ players, no nothing. It's just your mind, your vibe is how you see, how you hear, and this 1, 2, 3 is on the stage. You know,
Right.
it's just, and your fingers will play your songs. So it comes with
Right.
heart, your fingers, your eyes. Yeah. I think these ये
Mind and
हमने
soul.
ये हमने जान लिया ना आपने भी किसने भी it's just so important. Then from that day onwards you will stop actually doing all the other things. You will just get into
Right.
yourself.
Right. Right.
The
Right.
artist, it comes within you. Yeah. So, yeah.
So we know that you have a lot of fans. Any crazy thing a fan has done for you?
No fans. What fans?
What are you saying?
No.
You
I don't know.
have a fan following, I'm sure.
नहीं है मेरे I love client following. I just love client following, because see, for me, I live my life to make money, So I think fan following is acha. I love client following. You know what I mean? So I don't have no fans. Yeah, so
Okay, so react with one word to the following: music,
music, my soul.
awards.
मिलता ही नहीं कभी.
मिलेगा मिलेगा.
नहीं वो actually वो अलग एपिसोड है. वो पूरा एक अलग एक टॉपिक है, वो अलग ही अवार्ड्स पे आज 5 years before I should say this to you, Donna.
Okay.
ये बारे में मैं बहुत बोलता था डीजे डैश को, कि भाई ये क्या है अवार्ड्स, like I mean, you see, award is good. It is good, definitely. Back in the days, no, Donna. Back in the days, DMC, Times Music,
Yeah. Yeah.
तभी वो लोग करते थे ना, तो वो तभी वो लोग, I saw Nasha in DMC days, right? 99 or something. Lloyd, Nasha, Suketu, Reggie, turntablists, a lot of good turntablists, and everybody battling out, to do that.
Right.
Man, how do you judge somebody? I mean, how do you judge he's the best wedding DJ or he's a best club DJ? How? How do you judge?
I don't know. Honestly speaking, I don't know. I don't even know how this whole polling and judging thing works.
According to me, I think I don't know, but it's just I feel like awards भाई जो बना रहे हैं ना, वो अपना क्या कर रहे हैं? नहीं, they are trying to gather people, your fans into my page. It's simple as that.
That's what promotion. खुद का promotion खुद करे through us.
It's a simple strategy. When you have a award, when you start an award thing, so क्या होता है कि you will ask for votes. I've been nominated. It's good.
Then make the database.
I think the company who's doing that is just trying to use DJs and everyone to just get them, and after award is done, it's finished. And हम वो award लेके सो जाते हैं, it's good and it's amazing. See, I mean, I feel award is क्या होता है आपको पता है, when you get respect.
Yeah.
The main award for any artist is the respect, my dear friend. It's the respect you earn.
Right.
I think so.
Okay. Third one was relationship.
Yeah. Relationship.
Could be anything. Be it with parents, be it with your spouse or whatever. One word to relate to.
One word. I'm very passionate, yeah. So
clients.
Clients, I worship, yeah. Club I hate. हाँ, वही सुनना है मुझे. जाएंगे तो,
Okay. 3 words to describe the DJ life.
3 words, DJ life. Oof. DJ life is वो गाना था ना, I don't know. DJ life is for me, it's a struggle, one word.
That's it.
It's a never ending struggle, because I feel what are we trying to achieve here? Okay, we know that you're a good DJ, okay? First of all, आपको एक club owner ने अच्छा, चलो, if you're looking at clubs, I can say club owner loved you, liked you. Now the club is gone.
Now what? Next, what is next?
Now what? अच्छा, अभी उसके बाद क्या? लेकिन आपको मैं वही बता रहा हूँ, DJ का you can just see, I'm there because I'm trying to sell my art as a DJ and make money. Right? And I'm sure most of them are like that, like that.
Right.
They're passionate, but they want to make that good money, and अगर वो नहीं है ना balance, तो फिर आप खड़े रहो मत वहाँ पे, Don't make it. It should not be addiction.
Correct.
It should not be addiction. DJing should be like how you like. You should be passionate without thinking about कल क्या होने वाला है, Then you'll enjoy DJing.
True. Very true.
You're
What's your
expecting
secret
something.
talent, Jay?
Huh?
Do you have any secret talent?
Secret talent. Yeah, I have one talent I have is like I can guide people well. Like, in fact, all my people who are around me, my family, everyone. That's what yeah, I mean, that's, how do I say that? That's not a talent. It's basically,
गाना बहुत अच्छा गाते हो. You sing pretty well,
I don't
which nobody knew until your song came out.
no, 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 that is not me. I mean, see, behind in the
That's
studio
not
is
you.
good. Then, oh, Melodyne, that's just plugin, which Hyacinth did it, and the mixing engineer. Many, it's just a normal thing.
ऐसे गाओगे नहीं तब तक
In
कुछ
fact,
होता नहीं है.
I heard you singing. I was wondering, like, shit, man. I mean, you're good. I mean, you should sing. In fact, especially
Hopefully,
nowadays
someday.
when you got so many plugins. I mean, I'm just saying, but no, your vocal. I think आपने सीखा. I'm sure, right?
No, no, I've never learned.
Never.
Never learned.
Wow. No,
It's just the passion and then the will to do
but
something.
I heard it for the first time and immediately we loved it. I'm like, wow, this is good. So I think you should learn then, more.
Yeah.
I mean
Maybe we'll do something in the long run.
you should, because I feel, what when you as an artist, as a singer and the DJ, wow, it changed the whole game. Like, so you should,
Yeah.
in fact, 60 minutes set with the singing. Oh wow, beautiful. People love that.
I'll definitely work on that. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
sure.
You should.
For
And
sure.
costume by Ankita Banerjee.
You're so wicked, man.
Don't just say. So, yeah.
What's your next goal, Ji?
Next what?
What's your next goal?
Next goal is after COVID, it was securing my family.
Right.
You know,
Right.
that's my last and the main goal of my life.
Ultimate goal. That's your ultimate
Yeah,
goal.
well, yeah, but
Right. We've come to the end of the rapid fire round, though. But tell me, do you have any advice for the new generation of DJs who
कितना
are
तो मैंने दे
aspiring,
दिया.
who are
कितना
aspiring? अभी तक तो, अभी the ones who are aspiring to be DJs, and who are just very new, I mean, like I said, this show is all about. It's sort of an education for the newcomers as well, when people get to know about your life, your journey. So, any advice for the newcomers?
It's yeah, keep learning. You see, you know what I'm saying? I'm sure everyone is learning nowadays, and in fact, I get inspired by the younger generation.
Right.
In fact, I'm also learning every day. In fact, any department, you love to about mixing, mastering, everything is online now.
Right.
So keep
Right.
learning, because this is the right chance to learn till the next year comes in. And when you join the DJ school or anyone, we should at least know, because online has opened up so much, Donna.
Right.
So,
Right.
so I don't think anybody is new, like, because even me, when I'm talking about editing, okay, for example, so people,
Right.
I'm very know everyone now, so people can keep learning, and
Yeah.
also
Keep
look at
learning. Right.
your mentor. Right, that's important. Your mentor has to be, because you'll get you look up to him and then you'll behave like him. You see,
Correct. Correct. Correct.
attach him. Please choose, think, look up. There's so many good DJs around. Yeah, I mean, choose your mentor, because that's how you will become. Or you see.
Right. Gee, can we have 4 lines by you of your song?
I don't sing, man. I no, I'm not a singer.
थोड़ा सा. Come on, G, 4 lines. 4 lines.
नहीं मैं गाता नहीं हूँ.
अरे कोई बात नहीं, एक दिन गा ही दो ना, तो क्या हो गया? अभी गाना
I was not
निकला है.
singing, actually. I was rapping. I was not singing.
वही कर दो ना. Rap 4 lines for us.
मैं भूल गया. अब मैं बोलता हूँ.
No, I don't know the rap. You sang the rap. क्या भूल गया हो? क्या रात है बाकी or something you sang. Come on. Not like this.
Yeah, no, I'm not very good at it, man. I mean, वो मैं कर दिया था तभी, but I'm really bad. shake it up, girl, hit the dance floor. Ah no, ये बात है बाकी, हर बात है बाकी, जब साथ हो बाकी, shake it up, girl, hit the dance floor. That's it. और गाया था कुछ मैंने नहीं गाया था.
मुझे तो याद नहीं.
No, it was just you have to just do it. Someone has to do it, and in
And you
fact,
did
अगर आप तो
very
करेंगे.
good job, I think,
See, this is again, credit goes to Hyacinth and the mix engineer, because Melodyne से सब कुछ हो जाता है आजकल. आपके सुर है ना. Hey, it's what it is. I mean, the other day I did a couple of tracks with some people also now. मेरे Spotify में है. उनकी सुर है ना. When I was in mixing, with the mix engineer, everything we were doing with Melodyne, even he's a professional singer. So I think,
Right.
yeah, I mean, but yeah, I mean, you should at least your throw should be good,
Exactly. Maybe
मतलब
someday we'll work on something together someday.
Yeah, sure.
कुछ तो
I mean,
करेंगे
I
साथ में.
love all these things. See, if you give me the bar, like okay, you can do that 8 bar or 16 bar.
Hip hop R&B में ही करेंगे. At least we know that's our.
But do you
that's
know?
our
Do you know? I don't know if you know Amit, DJ
Das.
Amit.
Amit
Das?
Das?
Das,
I
right?
think so, yeah.
Right? Producer, no?
हाँ,
He's a
producer. Amit Das. Yeah.
So Amit Das, back in the days, I think 2004-3, जब भी था, he used to work for Akhil also, right? With Akhil
Yeah.
and everyone.
Yeah. He's the same guy, Amit
Same
Das.
guy.
Yeah.
So Amit Das he was the first person, he saw my talent as a rapper, and उसने मुझे एक बार पंजाबी के लिए बुलाया था स्टूडियो में. He said, hey, this is like a 8 bar, कुछ कर इसमें. I don't know if he remembers, but I remember that because I was so passionate about, I don't know, okay, yeah, this bar, we can do this, we can do that.
Another story about him, I remember when I met him 2010, I think, 2010 or something.
Great producer.
So, yeah, and he made me sing back then. He's like, and we're Bengalis, right? So he's like, go ahead, just sing something.
See,
And
this is what it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
See,
But back then I wasn't
he had
really in Bombay, so yeah, that was
that man, the good artists know, all the good artists know, they have a ear and an eye,
Yeah,
catch
absolutely.
the vibe. He saw something, Bilal ji, you will do it. You just do it, I was like, and I was just doing random and like, wow. In fact, उसने एक पंजाबी सिंगर के साथ कुछ ले लिया था मेरा कुछ तो, मैंने, and I used to love when I was with Kiran also try to rap something, but it's just that you're behind the scene and we're just trying to motivate each other to do.
Right.
This time क्या था कि किसको लाऊं मैं, because मैं किससे बात करूं, song में तो I wanted Badshah और Honey, for sure, why not, but then there's nobody, you have to do it. Like tomorrow you'll do a project.
But I think, you know what? I think you did a great job without calling the Badshah and the Honey. G was better.
On the set,
that's my opinion. Not being a friend, but I'm not being biased just because you're a friend. So I'm like, oh, you know what? You were damn good. No, I personally think, because you know what, when you keep on hearing, there's so much of Badshah and Honey sing. There's so much.
Yeah.
Had you
so you mean to say you love the tone of mine?
Of course, I love the tone. Of course. I mean, like I said, there's so much of Badshah and Honey. There would have been nothing new had you got them in your project. My personal opinion.
Yeah.
That's my personal
Again,
opinion.
when I talk about the project, it's just a DJ who's done a song. Like for me, मैं कर रहा था not for anything. It's just like a DJ. You're a DJ. You're trying to recreate the song, but the way you think, because it's you and your laptop.
Right.
Plus, as a director, you have to think then, okay, where are we going from here? What are we doing? Even when I had the 8/16 bar, I remember with Hyacinth, I said, Hyacinth, give me like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I'll just throw something, like that, and I throw that the vibe, na 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 na, na 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 na, and he loved it, he said, this is it. So see, Amit Das, Kiran Kamath, Hyacinth, I worked with them in the studio, every time. That chemistry comes, fire. If you work with in the studio, you'll get it. What I'm talking about, because it's just that moment. What you think
Someday
and what
I will accompany you. So
yeah.
create something out of the blues. You never
In fact,
know.
Kiran also, like, when I was to think about when we used to record the brass segment, in a song in a studio. So
Yeah.
brass वाले को क्या बोलना है? Because we never learned music, the musical notes back then, है ना? वो तो बाद में हमने सीखा जाके. So I think वो notation and all that हमको नहीं आता था तभी, like music notations, right? For the brass people. तभी मैं music यूज कर देता था. We did one Kambak Ishq for Akshay Kumar. So तभी brass का एक section था. So तभी मैंने किरण को बताया, Kiran will do like this, and he loved it. He said, "Gee, yeah, this is good." So this is what important. I love to collaborate, because what happens?
I have a song written. I'm gonna make you hear it. Do a little bit of
See,
change here.
that's what I'm saying. कि जो talent है ना, वही बता रहा हूँ. Now you should actually take it seriously and get into it, because I think if not now or you, then who?
Exactly.
Because see, for the first time I heard you singing Kevin Little's and our song, and I was like, wow, she can sing. It's not bad. She's good. So this is good. So I think not many people knew, and I wish people knew about this. And I wish आपने कुछ एक show बनाया होता where you are actually singing, and DJing. So it is beautiful.
Yeah,
You
well,
should.
I mean, it's something that I'm kind of actually thinking about now. Like slowly to
Yeah,
kind
go.
of incorporate,
Please join the Indian classical, Sangeet, because that will really change your life. Yeah.
Yeah.
Donna. Because see, when I learn something also, I keep learning. अभी भी सीखता रहता हूँ, and I got my mentors set in my eyes and my mind, so I keep learning from them.
Right.
When you're in the studio, it's just that moment. Studio में, it's not like you know something and नहीं, कभी change and what do we do now? So
Right.
just there.
Right.
Yeah.
All right, G. Thank you so much for being with us. This
Thank you,
was
Donna, for
amazing.
having me, and great. मैंने first time इतना बात किया actually. I don't know. My first show.
अच्छा है ना?
बात है.
दोस्त भी तो है
Yeah,
ना
but I'm not into the match chat. But, yeah.
It's also the
Thank you,
vibe. You gotta agree to that, though.
Sorry.
It's also the
What?
vibe. बात करना शुरू कर दे तो फिर खत्म नहीं
Yeah.
होती.
It's the vibe. It's the how we get along.
Yeah. Thank you so much, G. Thanks a lot for being with us.
No, pleasure of
Yeah.
mine. But I'm looking forward to seeing you guys soon. You and Ankita and all.